This is Matthew Harrington with Dell Technologies. Today I'm going to cover one of our newest features. It's part of the Dell Command Endpoint Configure for Microsoft Intune. I've already done 2 videos on this, so I'm not going to redo that tool, but the way this tool works is you import what's called a CCTK file that has BIOS changes or settings in it into Intune, and then you can push it out. This has to be deployed on each target system, and then you could apply the CCTK files. The CCTK files were created with our standalone tool, Dell Command Configure. You can only install this on one system. I have a video on this, so I'm not going to cover this either, but you could, let's say if I wanted to set the thermal management to ultra performance, I could export this to a CCTK file, and then I could look at that file and it looks like this, right? There's your settings. You could have as many settings as you want, 5, 10, 15, whatever you want. And then you would come up to Intune, you would say create new policy, you'd pick a platform, you'd say template, and you would pick BIOS configurations and other settings. This allows you to import the CCTK file and then you could push it out. As you can see, I created one for numlocks last year. I imported that particular file and then I pushed it to this particular group where I have a latitude 9330. It worked. It turned off numlocks. Every single thing this tool does now has been uploaded to our portal called manage.dell.com. I'm not going to cover this entire portal in this video. I'm just going to focus on the BIOS policies. This is one of the slickest things I've seen in a long time. So if I wanted to create a new BIOS policy for thermal management, I could do it all right here. And notice it actually found my numlocks that I created last year, and then I created this one today. If I go and delete this from Intune, if I come to Configure, and I come to Fast Boot, and I say delete, I come back here and watch this. It's already gone. That is really, really slick. But I want to create one and set my thermal management to ultra performance. Create new policy. I'm going to start with a blank policy file. I'm going to say ultra performance, and then we'll just give it that for a description. You can put anything you want here. I say next. Now I know from this tool, it's under power and performance, right? So where do I want to go? Power and performance. I could say, show me 25 settings per page. It's under the letter T, so we're going to have to go to the last page. There it is. What do I want it set to? Ultra performance. I can put any settings I want here. Or if I want to say, enable Wake-on-LAN, I can do that, right? You can do whatever you want. I'm going to set this to ultra performance. I'm going to say next. As I did in my other videos, this tool has the ability to set random BIOS passwords on Dell hardware. If you already have one set, if you're using DCE CMI to set a random BIOS password, choose yes. Because if you choose no, it will remove the random BIOS password. So I currently do not have any random BIOS password set, so I'm going to choose no. And I hit next, and I say publish, view in Intune. It opens up a new Intune page. It brings me right to my package. And look at that. It creates a random name for the CCTK, which is fine. And it's not going to set a random BIOS password. And again, if I go to Devices, Configuration, hit refresh, there it is. It is that easy to create a BIOS configuration file that you can push out to as many Dell computers as you want and change any BIOS settings that you want. That is one of the slickest things I've seen in quite a while. So hopefully this video was beneficial, and until the next video, take care.